Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 11, circle. Okay, very important chapter, and because circle is there throughout your 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, so you should know the basic things of the circles. Okay, first I'll say all of you know how to draw a circle. This is a circle, right? This is called what? Center. Okay, I'll say the name as O, and from center to on the circle, the distance between center to the circle, that is OA. This is called what? That I should know. Then from here to here, from for example P to A, what is this called? What is this called? For example, this is here M, N. All the things I will tell you. First, this is the part called as in center. So O is the center. From the center to the on the circle, the distance between the center to the circle, that is OA, or you can say OP. These two are called as in radius. They're called radius. And AP, from here to here, and the distance from A to P and passing through the center, okay, that is called as in what called? Diameter. That is the longest chord. AP is called diameter. And the line which is not passing through the center, the line which is passing through the center is called as in what? Is called a diameter. But the line which is not passing through the center is called as in chord. So MN is called as in chord. Okay, this you are studying here last year. Now, what is this called? See all of you. This part, this, when you finding the length, you have to find the length of the circle. That is called as in circumference. What is called as in circumference? Circumference is written as C. C is equal to what? C stands for what? Circumference. The formula for circumference, there are two formulas. One is what? Pi d, or you can write C is equal to 2 pi r. These are the two formulas for circle. C is equal to what? Pi d, or C is equal to 2 pi r. Why? Because see here, diameter, the formula is what? 2r. Diameter, the formula is what? 2r. Therefore, C is equal to pi into 2r. Therefore, C is equal to 2 pi r. Understand all of you? Radius, if radius is for example 7, then diameter will be how much? Double. Diameter is always the double. So, D is equal to 2r. So, circumference, there are two formulas. One is you can say pi d, or you can say 2 pi r. What is pi? Pi is a constant. Pi is a constant. The value of pi is 22 upon 7, or it can be as 3.14. But mostly we take 22 upon 7 in lower standard. Okay. So the value of pi is how much? 22 upon 7. So, chalo, we'll go to the exercise. Okay. These are the basic term, we should know it. And the formula also. What is the formula? I told you once again. If radius is given, then diameter is equal to what? 2r. And circumference formula is what? You can say 2 pi r, or you can say C is equal to pi d. Anything is, it's up to you, whichever formula you want to use. Okay. So can we go for the sums? Practice set 42. Yeah, practice set 42. Don't draw a box. We have to draw one. We have to solve one sum. Practice set 42. The first sum. What is given? Radius is given how much? 7 centimeter. We have to find out diameter, and we have to find out the circumference. Okay. As I told you, the formulas. What is the formula for finding? What is given? Radius is given 7. Diameter you have to find out. What is diameter formula? 2r. 2r. That is 2 into 7. That is 14 centimeter. Okay. Then you have to find out what circumference. Circumference, you can, I told you, no formula. You can use any formula. I'll use this formula. 2 pi r. 2 pi r. 2 is 2. What pi value I said just now? Pi value is 22 upon 7. R is how much? 7. Multiply this 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 into 22. Therefore, 44 centimeter. Understand, student? Now come to the second question. Okay. Second one. Second bit. There are how many questions are there in the first question? There are 4 sub questions are there. So first we did. Now come to the second question. Okay. The second question is what? Radius is not given. Radius is not given, we have to find out. Diameter is given how much, 28 centimeter, and circumference also we have to find out. First we'll find out the diameter. Diameter is given, so D is equal to 28. What I told you, diameter is always double the radius. Diameter is always double the radius. Then radius will be what? Half of the diameter. So the formula for radius is D upon 2. What is the radius formula? D upon 2. When you are finding diameter, you multiply the radius. When you are finding radius, you have to divide the diameter. Okay, students? So what is diameter given? 28 upon 2. So 2 divided by 28, 2 ones are 4 are. So radius is how much? 14 centimeter. Okay. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out the circumference. That is C is equal to 2 pi r, or you can use other formula pi d also. It's up to you. That is 2. What is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. What is the value of r? 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. That is 2 into 22 into 2. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2, 88. Understand the second sum, all of you? Can you go for the third sub question? Okay, the third one. This was the second one. Now we'll go to the third sum. We go to the third sum. What is the third question given? Third one. Radius is not given. Diameter also not given. What is given? Circumference is given. Okay. Now we take the formula of circumference. What is circumference formula? C is equal to 2 pi r. Listen carefully this sum. C is equal to 2 pi r. C, what is the value of C? Substitute value. 616 is equal to 2. Pi value is 22 upon 7 into r. Okay. Now no cancellation. You have to cross multiply. What do you mean cross multiply? The denominator will go to the numerator and the numerator will come to denominator. It's called cross multiply. So this will go here. Okay. So 616 into 7 upon this will come down. 2 into 22 is equal to r. Now this and this will go in the table of 11. How many times? 11. See here. 11 divided by 616. 11 5 is 55. Doesn't go, we borrow. Here it is 5. That is 11 minus 5 6. Here also 6. 11 how many times? 6 are 66. So 11 2s are 11 how many times? 56 times. Right, students? Then here also 2. 2 1s are 2 28s are 2 1s are 2 14s are. Therefore the value of r is equal to 14 into 7. What is 14 into 7? Multiply the student. What is the answer? 14 into 7. Multiply fast. 7 4s are 28. 2. 7 1s are 7. 8 9. 98 centimeters. So radius is how much? 98 centimeters. Then what you have to find out? Diameter. So diameter, what is the formula? 2r. That is 2 into 98. 2 8s are 16. 1 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 196 centimeters. This was your third sum. Now fourth sum. It is the same sum but they are given in decimals. Understand, students? Fourth sum. In the fourth, what is the question given? You have to find out the radius. You have to find out the diameter. Only what changes? The circumference is changes. What is circumference given? 72.6. Okay. So you have to use the same formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. What is C given? 72.6 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Any cancellation? No. So cross multiply. What is the meaning of cross multiply? The denominator will go to numerator and the numerator will come to denominator. So 72.6 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equal to r. Now the problem is the decimal. Whenever there is a decimal, how many after decimal how many numbers are there? 1. So you have to divide by 10. So R is equal to 726 upon 10 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Or you can take, because decimal is there, you can write it. Or you can take this 10 down also. It's up to you, whichever way you want it. Okay? Or I'll not take any decimal only. Okay? I'll not take decimal. I'll put the decimal as it is. I'll not do anything. R is equal to 72.6 into 7 upon 2 into 22. मैं ऐसे रखता हूँ. Now cancellation. With level only I'll do. Level divided by how much? 72.6. Right now? I'm not taking any decimal. मैं ऐसे ही रख रहा हूँ. Okay? Level 6 66. Right? Here doesn't go. So here 6. 12 minus 6 6. Put point this. This will 6. Level 6 66. Right, students? So what is the answer? Level 2 what is the answer here? 6.6. Okay. Now once again it will cancel in the table of 2. 2 ones kitna aayega? 3.3. So R is equal to 3.3 into 7 upon 2. Any doubt, students? Okay. Now multiply this one. 7 3s because we cannot cancel now. So we will multiply this one. 33 decimal बाद में लिखेंगे into 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 7 3s are 21 22 23 है ना. कितना आएगा? 231. डेसिमल कितना है? 1 है. सो आंसर विल बी 23.1 अपॉन 2. अभी इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 23.1. 2 ones are how much? 2 minus 0. Take this 3 here. 2 ones are once again 1. Put point. Take 1. 2 5s are 10. 1. Nothing is there. We take 0. 5s are. So R is equal to level 0.55 centimeter. See, go through the sum, all of you students. See once again. Cross multiply किया मैंने, divide किया, cancellation. So there is no cancellation. So I multiply this one. I got 23.1 divided by. तो R कितना मिला? Level 0.5. Okay. Now उसके बाद क्या फाइंड करें? रेडियस के बाद I have to find out the diameter. Diameter, what is the formula? D is equal to 2R. That is 2 into what is R? Level 0.55. Multiply. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Point here 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. That is 3. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Therefore D is equal to 23.10 centimeter. 0 नहीं लेते भी चलेगा. Understand? This is the weight. Any doubt, students? Okay.